Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not been here before, hi, welcome, how are you? Here on my channel we talk about discussions, we discuss things, blah 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 blah. Should I start over?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
We discuss talking about things and discussion.
We discuss topics regarding agoraphobia, and we discuss things regarding makeup, and we do unboxings too, which is what you're here for today. And so, if you are interested in any or if all of those subjects, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button and set it to all so that you are notified every time I upload a subject. Now,
Like magic.
that we've got that out of the way, I am doing my Fab Fit Fun summer box. I am late in the game because I saw all the cool kids doing it, and so I wanted to do it too. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. If you are interested in seeing what I picked, which I didn't pick all the cool stuff that the cool kids picked,
You're really selling it here.
then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, so when I bought the yearly membership where you can pick all your items that you want, so I don't need any stickers.
Stickers!
And it comes
Summer
with
2021.
it comes with the magazine, which tells you
Step into the sun.
editor's note. I don't really care about that.
Didn't you catch on fire if you stepped into the sun?
Tells you annual members get to customize their entire
I
box.
think that's dangerous advice.
Wind Down has some recipes for things that I didn't get.
Especially in sticker form.
I'm trying to get to the customizations here.
Superstar. Sweat in 20 minutes or less. Amateurs. I could sweat in 2.
Okay, for customization number 1, I could have gotten the Summer Friday CC Me Serum, the PMD Clean and Teal, the Summer Salt Neoprene Beach Tote, and pink, red, or blue green, which I get so many free bags from Ulta. I don't need any bags.
So you're saying it's no longer totes awesome?
And the Virginia Wolf multi-wear wrap. I'm not going anywhere where I'm wearing a wrap.
But I might be.
An outdoor blanket. This is like a picnic blanket. We're
With
not
a handle.
we're not the picnicking type.
We tried.
You know what happens when you picnic on the ground? You get bugs. And
yeah.
I'm not all about that. You get a wine chiller, which we're not really wine people around here because I can't drink wine because of my medication, and because I can't drink wine, nobody can drink wine. And the tie-dye towel, which has those little tassels at the end, and I'm not about that life. So,
Not about the tassel life.
what I got was the Summer Friday CC Me Serum. And I didn't really know. Let me turn down the lights. This was our problem last time. We didn't turn down the lights. So you
paid the
could
price.
see.
Darkness comes.
say anything about this serum. I didn't know what CC meant. I thought maybe it was a CC cream or something like that. So that's what I got.
It means carbon copy. Does that apply here?
What can you read about that on the back of the box?
CC Serum. Add this brightening serum to your morning routine for a glowing, copy-me complexion. Featuring 2 forms of vitamin C and soothing squalane. This multitasking serum can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation while evening skin tone. Integrate serum illuminateur.
Okay.
No?
I didn't know it was. I didn't know it was a vitamin C serum.
CC.
So
That's twice as much.
okay. It doesn't have a price here, but at the end, I'll put the price of my box down at the bottom there.
Down below.
So, customization 2. You had the Draper James Ruffle 90, the Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager from Way, which I already have that shampoo, the jewelry case, which I don't really need, the resistance bands, and hip bands, which I'm not going to be doing any exercise like that. The really popular thing was the guac and salsa bowls, which I don't entertain, so I don't need those. But I should have got them because I think my mom would have really liked them. So I should have thought of that and got them for her. A Bluetooth speaker, which I don't need. I've got my Alexa here. I can't speak her name too loud or she'll start talking to me.
Knows. It's always listening to
The
us.
drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisture from Tarte and the Business and Pleasure Co. Cooler Bag, which, like I said, I don't need any more bags. Something from HelloFresh here.
What you need to help you mix up that 3 p.m. martini in the office.
So what I did get was the Ruffle 90,
Lovely.
which I got it in a pretty big size because I just saw that on the floor or something. Because I like wearing nightgowns around the house. And that is what it looks like.
There you go. You gonna do a quick try on?
No, I'm not going to do a trial. But I got that. Customization number 3. I could have gotten the Corksicle wine tumbler with silicone straw. I could have gotten the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, which I don't go outside, so I don't wear sunscreen. The Living Proof.
Outside sometimes.
I go outside sometimes. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, the Recoil Curl Activator, the Poolside Water Resistant Pouch, the Bobble Bar Build Your Own Bracelet Kit, the Vitamin E, the Vitamin E Face Moisturizer, or the Blue Light Blocking Glasses in Round Eye Brown Tortoise. I didn't get any of those.
What's some other things you didn't get?
I think what I got instead was these home vitamins for your hair, gummies with benefits for stronger, healthier hair. I thought this was pretty good because I have been taking these. So I thought, oh great, I can get these so I don't have to buy them for too much.
100% natural hummingbird extract. Oh wait, no, that's right. That's something else.
So, customization 4. I could have gotten the Vitamin C Facial Serum, the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray, the African Botanical Shimmering Gold Oil, the TF Publishing Brain Teasers, the Inactivity Books Bundle. Oh, that was it.
That was it.
So, not knowing about the Summer Fridays thing, I got the facial serum vitamin C. So I got 2 vitamin C serums. There's that in that jar. So I'm going to put one on backup.
Your face will never get screwed.
Sorry I didn't get the brain teasers done. The next customization is the Minty Cosmetic Liquid Lipstick, the Mind Tan Body Skin Recovering After Sun Gel, the Soar Selfie Light Ring,
Minecraft Sun Gel?
Mind Tan.
Oh, Mind Tan.
The Soar Selfie Ring Light, the Dr. Brandt, which I already have one of those. I used to use it on this channel. The Pores No More Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt, the Flight Mode High Altitude Hydration Mode to the Market Melamine Printed Tray, which they didn't have available when I was picking out.
Some people.
Which I think would have been cute, but I didn't get it. And the cutting boards, which I saw a lot of influencers get. So, me being me, wanting makeup, I got the Minted Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Blacker the Berry.
You didn't get blood orange.
No, I didn't get blood orange.
Blood.
But this is very dark. And on customization 6,
Wait, there's more?
they had a lot of bundles.
So much stuff in this box. It's amazing.
They had a lot of bundles where you could get the citrus squeezer and this ice tray that looked like pineapples. And I just didn't need that in my life. But they also had Kate Spade New York workout socks,
Okay.
eye gel pads, truffle therapy whipped cleansing cream, pore cleansing clay mask, super eye serum, Ole Hendrickson fat glow serum mask, which I am hoarding, by the way. But I didn't want to get that, more of that. Eyelash conditioner and rapid collagen infuser. So I got the most boring thing ever and got the Verso Botanicals Super Eye Serum. When I could have been the fun influencer and gotten the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask, the Barefoot Scientist, oh no, lip mask, the Art and Cook Citrus Squeezer, and the Blush Pineapple Tray. But that just wasn't my...
It wasn't meant to be.
That wasn't my road in life.
Right.
So...
2 roads diverged in a box customization.
Oops, wrong thing. I'm blind. So that was my Fab Fit Fun Box for summer.
That's really bright.
Really is. It's not the brightest. So that was my Fun Fit Fab Box for summer 2021. I'm looking forward to the fall and the winter boxes, hoping they'll have more fun kind of stuff. I didn't really like the choices in this, but I'm in it for a year. They said I could cancel anytime, but I'm not getting my money back if I cancel. But I get to at least choose all the choices in my box.
Choose every single choice.
So choose every choice. I get to choose my choice.
And you spin your choice. So.
Spin my choice.
So there's a bunch of stuff. And you got it.
Alright. Give this a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a comment down below if you get the Fab Fit Fun Box. It is like $179 to get the yearly membership. It is a quarterly box. It is $49.99, I believe, if you just get it quarterly. I will leave a link down to Fab Fit Fun down below if you are interested in it. I do pay for this by myself, by the way, but leave me a comment down below. Also, check out my socials down below.
And be careful, don't get the Fit Fun Fab box by accident. That one's terrible.
Yeah, or tell me what you thought about my choices. Just leave me a comment about anything. Give me some engagement here. And
please.
Like I said, give me a like if you like this. And yeah, I just hope you're having a wonderful day out there. If you're not, please, I hope you get to feeling better. And if you're having a particularly rough spot, just remember to stay healthy.
And happy.
Stay strong.
And yeah.
And stay safe.
And hang in there.
And hang in there.
Like that cat with the poster.
Yeah. So.
And remember, the sun will come out tomorrow.
Well, it might not.
Bet your bottom dollar tomorrow there'll be sun.
Okay. This has been my husband, Aaron. I don't know if I
think
introduced
I'm
him
funny.
or not. He thinks he's funny. Again, please subscribe.
Myself.
Please subscribe. We are trying to get to 100 subs so we can do a 100 sub giveaway. And I will see you next time.
Bye.
All right. Bye.